Each instructor, they're there to help you. They'll explain everything to you that you need to do. Don't be afraid. That's what we're here for.
I can't help but think about the possibilities of being able to utilize it, get familiar with the piece of equipment, experiment, utilize the controls in a safe, protected environment. This gives them that safe environment to coach, to mentor, to help, to teach, to train. Grateful to know that they're getting trained before they're put out where the traffic is. So I guess for me, it would give me confidence. We want to ensure that a person can get from A to B in a reliable, safe manner.
It means a lot for those newer guys to really come out here and get the confidence before we actually put them out on a project or out on the side of the road to actually do these activities. It just accelerates everything, and in today's world, everything's accelerated. The main purpose of this is to facilitate a lot of those certification trainings as well, so that we have seasoned guys with certifications that are out there teaching.
They get to actually come out here hands-on in a safe environment with some obstacle courses laid out in the way that they're going to do their work, and then they can learn and grow and become better operators. We have safer operations out on the road, right? So those safer operations out on the road allow the traveling public to be safe. It's really important to all of us here that we create that type of environment, a learning environment that allows them to do that.
We wanted to make sure that our people were qualified, where they can have real-life training, use real-life equipment, and have real-life scenarios, and get that experience. I hope this goes really far, and I hope all the new Trans-Tech take advantage of this and get out here and get on equipment and build your skills and become great operators. If we have better trained people, better trained operators, more skilled operators, closures, emergencies, different things that come up on the roadway are going to take less and less time, which means we can have the road open faster, the road cleaned quicker, and you could be on your way faster.